Okay. Very good morning everyone. Hello everyone. Hello बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? Very good morning to all of you. Show me your presence fast so that we can start today's session. Good morning Diksha, Maring, Harshit, Rajveer, Sunil, Kriti, and all rest of the students. I am still waiting for other students' message to get their presence. Till the time they are showing their presence, I am gonna revise the last two sessions. Beta, here we discussed up to the last class. What we discussed up to the last class is here. We discussed that there are 4 units of dissolution. Good morning, beta Jia, Kiran. There are 4 things to be done in this chapter. Number 1, that is dissolution of partnership. Second, piecemeal. Then sale to a company, and then amalgamation of partnership firm. And we discussed in all above, the common thing was there, that is existing business is being closed. And please make me sure also that you have downloaded the notes, but I am waiting for your message, that message also. As I committed up to the last class, all the notes will be uploaded. Okay. So we discussed that there are 4 types of closing way to close the business. There are 4 ways to close the business of partnership. Number 1, in the unit number 1, we are learning the accounting of dissolution. That is in the form of in the pre-assumption that all the assets will get sold on a single date, and all the payment to external liabilities and internal liabilities, that is the partners loan, etc., and also all the payment related to partners will be settled on a single date. This is the basic pre-assumption for such unit number 1. In the case of unit number 2, we will learn, that will be today's class part. Okay, that is the piecemeal distribution. Piecemeal distribution is the practical situation where all the payment will be realized in installment in pieces. That may be sales amount of one assets coming in different dates, or that may be different assets being received on a single date. So as the payment comes, in the same way the payment will be done. Beta, someone is saying that he couldn't get notes. Beta, please download, already uploaded by team. Please download. Till the time I am revising, please download. Okay, beta. Anyways, first payment is done to outsiders, and after that partners loan, etc., and after that partners capital will be there. So basically this second unit focus to main part, that is the last part of this graph, that is the partners capital, who will get first. Okay, beta, in today we shall be practicing this chapter also. In the third unit, what we shall do, there are 2 firms which are being amalgamated, and they are creating a new firm by losing their existence. Okay, beta, that's the reason it is called dissolution. Hence, what the accounting will be done in the books of existing firm, and also in the acquisition firm, that is called acquisition, acquiring firm, amalgamating firm, sorry, amalgamated firm. The last unit says, when during the year business, the running business in the form of partnership, that is converted into the company to take the benefit of the company's status. So what the accounting will be done in the books of partnership firm and in the books of companies also, although in the books of companies not part of the syllabus, still we shall cover in the question that also. Anyways, yes sir, able to download. Okay, beta Himanshu, and rest who have not yet downloaded, kindly download, so that we may be communicating in the good way. So in the unit number 1, come on, revise. In the unit number 1, what we did? In the unit number 1, we did these things. Step number 1, transfer all the books and all the book values of all the assets and liabilities to realization account except cash, bank and bank overdraft and partners loan, because partner loan and bank overdraft are directly being paid. Next, step number 2, transfer owners related account to owners account. We did all these things. Okay. Next, step number 3, realize the assets and pay off the liabilities also. Very, very good. All the rest students are also confirming that they are downloading the notes. Anyways, step number 4, distribution of profit or loss on realization. And step number 5, settlement of accounts. Okay, beta. Here we found out there may be case of loss of insolvency, and that insolvency loss is to be borne by other partners. But that is the case when all the partners are not insolvent. All the partners are not insolvent. Only in that case it is possible. But what will be done if all the partners are insolvent? It means the loss has to be borne by the unsecured creditors. So what we should do here, sir, in the earlier scenario, we were doing step number 1, transfer all the assets and all the liabilities to realization. Why we were transferring all these? To get realize in cash, to get payment in cash. Yes, it means we were transferring all the assets directly to that, so that we can realize all the assets. Okay. And why we were transferring there? So that we can pay directly to all the external liabilities from the realization account. But in this scenario, since the loss has to be borne by the creditors, yes, it's the time to cover insolvency of all the partners, or you can say insolvency of partnership firm. It means all the creditors will not get their payment. Hence, in the step number 1, we have to alter some things. And what is that? We shall transfer all the assets, but not all the liabilities. It means except the creditors, all the liabilities will be transferred. Okay. And what the scenario will be there? Beta, what the amount will be shortage as a loss of insolvency of the partners, all the partners, that will be the same amount as the creditor have to bear the loss, because that is the amount which they are not able to bring, and that will be the same loss of insolvency that has to be borne by creditors. It means there will be shortage in the creditors account also, and that will be the same what the amount will be loss of insolvency of all the partners. So can I start now? Okay. Before starting, I want to confirm from all of you that you have downloaded. Please confirm me. Please confirm me why I am showing you this PDF. Beta, this is the PDF of the session which I was taking here earlier before the last session. It means it was the starting first session in the in respected ICI platform. Okay, beta. What I want to say you, beta, there is one more book also I have uploaded there, that name has been given chapter number 9. Sir, why? Because beta, in our study material there are limited questions with all the advanced concept. Okay, beta. For extra practice of questions of all the variety, for extra practice, beta, I have prepared some notes where you will find all the ICAI illustrations plus questions. Second thing, past examination questions. Okay, beta. Plus number 3, RTP questions also, and many more advanced question. Okay, beta. So there is one more PDF that has been given name chapter number 9. Okay, that is my personal book. So I have given here along with the solution, beta. In this PDF you will also find the solution in the presentable manner. These are the solution numbering of that PDF. Okay, beta. Please do some extra practice. These numbers are the same. Okay, beta. Anyways, now I am coming to the main point of today's session, that is the insolvency of all the partners. and I have written here in this PDF all the steps also. Okay, beta. So I am coming to you with some steps of ये रहा जी, ये रहा, यही है ना. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, beta. These are the steps. As you know, I always give you steps to follow to solve all the questions. And here is steps for insolvency of all the partners. It means insolvency of firm. What the steps we should take into the question? Step number 1, transfer all the assets and liabilities, book values of all the assets and liabilities to realization except cash bank debt and creditors. It means creditors will not be transferred to realization. Why? Because to get what the amount is available for them, that will be there will be two amount. One from the realization of assets after reducing all the expenses, etc., plus what the contribution partners are giving to firm. Okay, beta. Those total amount will be available, and that will be able to find out after preparing the partners capital account also. Hence, we are not transferring the creditors here in step number 1. Step number 2 is same, transfer owners related account to owners account, including partner loan, because before partner loan, we have to pay external liabilities. Hence, the partner loan is being transferred here to the partners capital. Next one, realize the assets and collect the amount if being contributed by partners. Okay, beta, and pay the realization expenses and loans, and don't pay creditors. Okay, in that case there will be some profit or loss on relation that has to be distributed to partners, and after that we have to prepare what the amount is shortage. Shortage here is called deficiency. Shortage of amount here is called deficiency, and shortage here from two point of view. But from creditors point of view, it is the matter of loss. It is the matter of loss. It is the matter of loss. So they will say usually deficiency word represent the shortage. Hence, that is from their angle. And from partners view, when we say this is the deficiency account, beta, internally we will say this is the surplus for them because they did not have to bear the amount. Okay, beta, sometimes in different book you will find the solution where the name of account has been changed, that has been termed as surplus. So don't worry, if you are practicing from any book, then you will find all the things in this class. Don't worry. So if there is deficiency account or surplus account, then only the angle is changed. Basically this is the shortage to pay the creditors. Okay, beta. Anyways, now we have to solve the question. Come on, as I told you earlier in the last class that beta, I have given you heading also that this is the question belonging to insolvency of all the firm. Please open illustration number 3. Illustration number 3 of unit number 1. Now it's the time to solve the illustration number 3. PQ, wait a minute, this is not the same. Illustration number 3. Amal and Bimal. Amal and Bimal. As I given a heading, insolvency, and I told you this is only the question belonging to this topic. Insolvency of all partners. Another way to tell this, to say this, that is insolvency of partnership firm. Better please give me ready so that I can get your activeness. Good morning, beta Komal. We are just about to new concept, Komal. So Himanshu, Harshit, Sahu, Diksha, Komal, Jia, Kiran, Kirti, Anu, and all rest of the strength. Maring, show me your activeness and presence that you are ready. Give me a ready, everyone. Yes, very good. Those who are having breakfast, those will not give us ready because they are ready for another thing. Anyways, Amal and Bimal are equal partner. Okay. Sir, why we are saying that all the partners here are in dissolution? Beta, there are 2% in the partnership. If one is going, then will there be any partnership firm status? No, definitely the dissolution will be there. Anyways, Amal and Bimal are equal partner. It means ratio between them is what? That is 1:1. This is the ratio, profit and loss ratio. Okay, okay. Very good. So we are having the assets. Okay. We are having the assets. We are having the partners capital and creditors. Okay. Assets realized as under. Assets were realized as under. Plant and machinery, furniture, debtor, stock. Expensive relation with this one. Amal's private state is not sufficient even to pay his private debts. Keh rahe hain, what they are saying, that we are that Amal is not even to bear his own personal debts, while these are the firm's debts. Firm's debt, no debts, only the creditors are there. Okay, then it means since he is not even able to bear his own personal, then he is definitely not able to bear the firm's creditors also. Okay, anyways, it means he will not pay anything. Whereas while we are talking about Bimal's private states has a surplus of 200 rupees only. But don't go for the amount because maybe the question are from very long time. So hence the figures are small. Anyways, 200 rupees only. Don't say sir, we shall pay, don't worry कि हम लोग दे देंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. विमल का प्राइवेट स्टेट है बेटा. दोज हु आर वाचिंग इन हिंदी आल्सो, आई एम कम्युनिकेटिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू आल्सो. भाई अमल कुछ नहीं दे पाएगा, जो बच्चे हिंदी से हैं. विमल कह रहा है कि भाई साहब सिर्फ 200 रुपए में दे सकता हूँ, यानी कि बाकी नहीं दे सकता है, यानी बाकी का इंसॉल्वेंसी लोन बन जाना है. एनीवेज, नाउ बैक टू इंग्लिश. बेटा शो द नेसेसरी लेजर टू क्लोज द बुक्स ऑफ फर्म. नाउ सी, कैन वी डू the same practice as we were doing in the last class? Yes. Go for the steps. Step number 1. Step number 1. Transfer all assets. Yes. Step number 1. Transfer all liabilities. No. Beta, this is the exception in this case. Since all the partners are insolvent, and we have to stop ourselves to transfer all the liability, to transfer the creditors. Beta, only the unsecured creditors will be there who will be bearing the loss. Since if there is any secured creditors, then why he shall bear the loss? Definitely he could have the security of the assets. Even we are not able to realize the assets, he will realize, and after reducing their debts, he will pay us surplus. Hence, it means only the unsecured creditors will be there who will bear the loss. So we shall modify here a step. Step first, transfer all the assets and liabilities except cash bank, overdraft, partners loan, and also what? Unsecured creditors. Okay, maybe unsecured loan, beta unsecured, that is the main focus. That has to bear the loss. Anyway, step number 1 has been modified. Step number 2, transfer owners related account. Beta, this is the step number 2. Step number 2. ट्रांसफर ओनर्स रिलेटेड अकाउंट टू ओनर्स अकाउंट। हाँ बेटा बिल्कुल सही, क्रेडिटर वाला पार्ट रिस्की है बेटा हर्षित, वो भी कौन सा, सिक्योर्ड वाला नहीं, अनसिक्योर्ड वाला। ओके बेटा हर्षित। एनीवेज, Harshit was asking a doubt in Hindi, so I was answering the Hindi. Anyways, assets realize as under. Step number 3, realize the assets and pay off the liability. Sir, will we pay off the liability? No, no. We shall not pay off the liability. We shall pay the liability only after deciding what the amount is available. See, realize the assets but don't pay off the creditors. Okay beta, now moving back, see step number 3, this is also part of step number 3, expense of realization. Okay, yes, okay, now I am moving. Should I save your time by showing you the solution? Yes, because I have to start another unit also. So there are no any advanced concept here. There is no anything which we need to discuss in such a detail. All the things are clear to all of you. Hence, I am saving your time to make you understood this solution from the PDF, so that I can move to next unit, because we have very limited lectures and we have to utilize our time smartly. Anyways, step number first, beta, can I transfer? Yes, sir. I am giving here tick. All these assets, plant and machinery, furniture, debtors, stock, and cash. See, all these assets have been transferred except cash and bank. Yes, sir. Okay, beta. Here is cash account. We have put it the balance here. We are okay, sir. Okay, beta. Yes, sir. Very good. Those students which are watching at YouTube, they can also give their views regarding this class. They can also join us at our IC application, so that they may interact in both way. Anyway, they can show their presence by giving like, shares, etc. Anyways, cash account is there. Now, step number 2. See, we have put it the cash and bank here, and also the creditors here. Beta, this is the creditors account. Okay. Step number 1, transfer dash 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 except this. Step number 2, transfer owners related account. Now see what the owners account are there. Can I cut it the figure as we usually practice in the class, that these have been shifted, so these are not now in the balance sheet, so that there may be more clear to all of you? Yes, sir. These have been shifted to somewhere where those should be shifted. Now, beta, step number 2, transfer owners related account. So, beta, Amal's capital will be on credit side and Bima's capital will be on debit side. Okay, beta. So, I am putting the balances there in the partner's capital account. So, this is the partner's capital account, and this is the credit balance of Amal, and this is the debit balance of Bimal. Step number 2, transfer owners related account. Step number 3, realize the assets. Realize the assets. Beta, this is the step number 3. 1250, 150, 400, 500. Is there any assets of which relation amount has not been given? See, plant, machinery, furniture, debtors, stock, and cash is already in cash. If anything, if any amount is not given, then what should we do? Please let me know. Please message here what we do. Anyways, these are the realization. These are the realization. Corresponding amount has to be posted in the cash bank account also. Hence, I am posting here total. See, I hope everything is okay up to this. Please let me know everything is okay up to this or not. I want to get your confirmation here. Beta, up to this everything is okay. Everyone, please let me know. Very good, Swati. Only Swati has answered the question what I asked. So, please give me the message that everything is okay up to this. Everything is connected. There is no any confusion. I am waiting for a message, beta. Swati, Diksha, Harshit, Himanshu, Rajveer, Anu, Sahu, Kiran, Komal, Sunil, Maring, all rest of the students, all okay, sir. Okay. Very good, Anupriya. Okay, now step number 1 transfer. Okay, step number 2 transfer. Step number 3 realize. Yes. So, one more thing is there. Relation expenses are also there. That has to be put it here. These are the relation expenses. Okay, beta. We are putting here. I have done ticks. Now after that, now after that, don't pay the creditors. Okay, beta. Prepare deficiency account. How you will prepare deficiency account? Of course, after putting all the things in the partners capital account and getting the what the amount they are paying, they are able to contribute to firm again. So see here you will find first we have to prepare the partners capital account. That will be prepared only after transferring the realization account. Okay, beta. Profit or loss. So without considering the profit or loss on creditors, we have to calculate the profit and loss on realization, and that has to be transferred to partners capital account 1337 and 1338 here. Okay, beta. Next. Very good, Jia. Now, beta, what the contribution they are giving to firm? Only Vimal is there who is paying 200. Rest all the amount is shortage. Okay, beta. This is the amount which is shortage, which is called short surplus for from the angle of partners and deficiency from the angle of creditors. Still, we have to give deficiency name until and unless question specifically say prepare surplus account. Okay, beta. So we have to prepare only deficiency account. Now, this is the deficiency. Deficiency account debit to partners capital. Okay. Deficiency account debit to partners capital. And there is creditors account also. Before going to creditors, we have to prepare cash and bank account also. We have to check what the amount is there. Beta see 200 contribution is there. So this is only the balance figure which is available for creditors. I am writing here available. Wait a minute. Hang हो गया 2 मिनट. PDF is hang. Wait a minute. Yes. Available. Only this for creditors, unsecured creditors. Beta, so this is the amount which we are paying to creditors 2525 and the amount is there 4800. What the amount will be there, beta? See on the next page, such has been shifted due to shortage of space. 2275 is the deficiency and that will be the same amount while you will be totaling this. So all the things will be simultaneously you can see in the deficiency account, both sides. So I am waiting so that I can say that unit number 1 has been completed. I am waiting for you, beta, because there is no topic in this unit number 1 which has been left. Beta, you have to answer me parallelly so that I can start new unit. Unit number 2 we are starting, but before that I want to confirm from all of you that you have done homework also and you are not having any doubt in a question. Yes, sir, completed. And where are rest of the students? Jia, Sahu, Komal, Anu. Either you say, sir, we have not yet done homework and we will communicate all the doubts in the next session. Otherwise, give me a clean signal that you have done all the questions and you are not having any doubt in the unit number 1. I'll be moving to our next unit. That is what? Unit number 2, piecemeal distribution. Yes, sir, done with homework. Very good. Yes, sir, done. No doubt, sir, and completed the homework. Very, very good. Excellent. So it means I have a green signal to move forward. Even though lectures are limited, but it doesn't mean that we do not have to do all the things. We have to do all the things, but smartly. Very good. Everyone. Diksha, clear, sir. Kiran, completed homework. Swati, no doubt, sir. Komal, yes, sir. Rajveer, no doubt, sir, and completed the homework. Anupriya, yes, sir, done. Okay, then one homework is also there for today. Practice from the suggested answers and scanner. Those are available on website and RTP also. Okay, beta. For unit number 1. Okay, beta. And for unit number 2 also, because we shall be completing unit number 2 also in today's session. Don't worry. So there is another homework to do all the questions practice from the past examination questions, suggested, scanner, and RTPs. Okay, beta. So I'm going to start piecemeal distribution. Now, piecemeal distribution is being start. Beta, see. Wait a minute. So I have to open another PDF. Yes. Piecemeal distribution. Piecemeal distribution. Yes, this is the. Instead of writing, I'm saving your time. As I discussed, wait a minute. I am taking one doubt is there. Someone is posting doubt. Gia. If there is secure creditors and unsecured creditors separately given in the question, then we transfer only the unsecured creditors in the relation account. Beta, no. We shall show secured creditors in the realization account also. Okay, beta, and corresponding realization amount. Okay, but unsecured creditors will not be transferred to realization account. Okay. Anyways, now piecemeal distribution. Beta, give a heading. Unit number 2. Piecemeal distribution. Okay. Unit number 2. Unit number 2. Be relaxed. Take a long breath. And really, if you felt comfortable in the unit number 1, you will be feeling more comfortable in unit number 2, because that is more easy as compared to earlier. Okay. बिल्कुल सही बेटा हर्षित, बिल्कुल सही. So let's take an example before starting anything else. Beta, here is balance sheet. Here is balance sheet in which you are finding. Please note down the question example along with me. You are finding these things. My name is Ajay. Hence, I am representing here as a. I am one of the partner in this partnership firm A. Okay. And I have invested 1 lakh. You are B. Okay, but I am taking you B. You are students and you are also with me in the partnership B, and you have also invested 1 lakh. Another one is also there. Who is C? He has also invested 1 lakh. It means 3 lakhs are there as a capital contribution in this balance sheet. And there are some reserve and surplus also, that is 6,000. That is 6,000. Now, some liabilities are also there that may be secured or unsecured. And liabilities there 14,000. Okay. There is no any scripted example. I am taking live example. So beta, everyone please note it down because that will not be available in the earlier PDF I have shared. So total liabilities total is there, that is 3,20,000. Next, on the other side, while you are seeing in the illustration in the examination question, you will find some of the fixed assets, some of the investment, some of the current assets, etc., etc. So for the simplification purpose, I am taking two assets only. Okay, beta, that is non-current assets, or you can say fixed assets, and also the current asset. Beta, that may be stock, that may be debtors, that may be any other current assets. So I am taking here 2,50,000 is there, that is the fixed assets, and 70,000 is there, that is the book value of current assets. Question is very, very easy, always easy as usual. The only thing is that you have to do smartly. Beta, question is given that partnership dissolved, and assets realized on, beta, this is the balance sheet date is there as at 31st July is there, June, 31st July 2022. If question is saying all the assets realized on 31st July 2022, 31st July 2022, then it will be unit number 1. It will go to unit number 1, which we are not doing. Hence, I am changing here some words. Okay, beta. Realized as under. Assets were realized as under. So question will not give all the relation amount on a single date. Question is giving you some other date, that on 1st of August 1st, the current assets realized $8,000. On 4th of August, beta, please note it down. On 4th of August, 4th date, again balance part realized, that is 60,000. Finally, this is the only amount which we could realize from the current assets. But there is a loss on realization of current assets also, that is 2,000, because 70,000 book value is there and we are realizing only 68,000. Anyways, now on 7th of August, fixed assets realized some part, that is अगस्त में 2,50,000 है ना, that is 1,80,000. and on 8th of August, fixed assets realized balance part, that is 40,000. Now I am putting the situation with all of you. If payment is being done, so question is asking you, first I am giving the requirement, question required. What the question required? Prepare a statement which is showing piecemeal distribution, which is showing piecemeal distribution. But in this way, you will be having the question in the exam. Now you will be preparing a statement. Sir, have you discussed concept? But I am discussing, don't worry. I am asking doubt from your side. How you will present the solution in exam? Statement, showing. Sir, do we not have to prepare laser? No, beta, in this unit, no. There is no requirement. Here, the only requirement is to show the statement which is showing the amount coming in pieces and to whom first it is being paid. Okay, beta. Statement showing piecemeal distribution. Here you will prepare some column. First column will be, of course, okay, I am putting in this way. First column will be of particulars, then amount availability, and then external liabilities, then internal liabilities, and then partners capital. How many partners are there in this question? In this question, there are 3 partners. Give a heading, particulars, available amount, available amount, then external liabilities. External liabilities. Sir, do we have to write down external or internal? No, beta. I am writing here to discuss with you all concept in the first illustration. Okay, beta. In actual, you have to mention the name there, that like secured creditors, outstanding expenses, unsecured creditors, loans, whatever the name has been given in the question, that belongs to an external person. Okay, beta. And internal liabilities, that is of course partners loan. Partners loan, if any, A's loan, B's loan, C's loan, etc. Although in this question there is no such a kind of things, still I have to maintain the column so that I can communicate with you all properly. And last, partners capital. A, B, C, maybe more than or less than in the examination question. You have to maintain the column accordingly. Is there anything which can be called as available? Yes, by here we will write down here balances. What the balances are there? Amount available in the question, if given cash in hand yet or bank balance, then you will write here. Otherwise, you will give dash or nil. Okay, beta. As per this question, what are the external liabilities? Sir, in this question, external liabilities are 14,000. Okay, beta. 14,000 is there. Next, is there any partner loan? No, there is no any partner loan. I am writing here nil. Is there any partners capital balance? Yes, but we have to do one thing. We have to merge all the reserve and surplus what the partners are entitled. Okay, beta. So here we have to calculate some balances, that this 6,000 will be added to the respective partner in their profit and loss ratio. Now I am giving you the ratio. If nothing given, equal, of course, but here I am writing here the profit and loss ratio is there. I am writing here one more thing, profit and loss ratio among all the partners were 3:2:1. What I am writing here, or you can say, okay, change the ratio, 2:2:1. Write down, please. Please change 2:2:1. So, can I add such reserve to capital? Can you please tell me what the reserve each and every person will be entitled, A, B, and C? Can you please text here the amount? What the amount should be added in A, B, and C so that we can find their final balances outstanding? Sir, 6,000 will be added. Yes. Here you will have to add 2:2:1. Amount is there, that is 6,000. That has to be adding, and that has to be added to the partner's capital. 2 to 4 और 1 5 5 12 12 2 24. So 2,400 and 1,200. Very good, Jia. Very good, Diksha. So can you please let me know what the total amount balance will be there in regards to A, which we have to pay? Of course, 1 lakh plus 2,400. That is, A will be entitled to get 1,02,400. In the same way, B will be 1,02,400 and C will be 1,01,200. So I am putting here the final figure because this is the final statement which is being prepared. 1,02,400, 1,02,400, 1,01,200. Sir, can we do here total also? Yes, but you can prepare this column. You have a choice. I usually prepare this column. Total. So if we want to know what the total payment we need to pay to settle all the external internal person, that is, of course, 3,20,000. If we want to pack this partnership, then we have to we have the requirement to pay total 3,20,000. Now, at the date 1, when we are realizing the first amount, that is the 8,000, of course, beta, I am writing here the first realization. Okay. So we shall prepare statement in this way. On 1st August, realization of current assets. What the amount we have realized? Question will give name that this is the realization of stock, relation of current asset, debtors, relation of bills receivable, etc. What the name will be given? We will put here realization from debt. Still, in this question, I am writing here current assets. Total 8,000 is the amount which has been realized. Now, please let me know, should I pay this to A or B or C or external liability? Beta, please let me know the priority. Of course, first priority is for external liabilities. So less paid to external liability, and that is full 8,000 has been paid to the outsiders, but still the outstanding balance is there because the full payment has not been satisfied. But in this way, you have to prepare a statement and do the practice in the presentable manner. Beta, what the balances are there? Sir, available balance is nil. Very, very good answer by all the students. available balance is nil, and parties related to external liabilities are still pending for 6,000. Still the 6,000 amount is there, which is to be paid for the external person. It means in the next realization, whatever the amount we shall realize, first we have to pay to the external 6,000. After that, we shall decide. Anyway, there is no partner loan, so there is no any requirement. And since nothing has been paid to them, except this, only the 8,000 has been paid. It means 3,12,000 is total amount pending in regards to all these things. Now, moving to next realization. But next realization is on 4th of August. And what is the amount? What is the amount? Amount is 60,000. Okay. On 3rd August or 2nd August? 4th August. On 4th August, realization of current assets. Amount is there that has been realized from current assets. 60,000. Yes, that is 60,000. Of course, first we shall pay to external person, paid to external liabilities. That is how much? 6,000 we have to pay. Okay. But still amount available is there. Yes, amount available is there. How much is that? Sir, amount available is 54,000. Okay. Creditors are nil now and partners loan already nil. Is there any amount which has been paid to partners in this line? No. Now we are moving to payment to partners. Okay. Now the main purpose of this unit has been started. This unit belongs specially to this part, piecemeal distribution. While we shall be distributing among the partners, those are like family, and usually we take food meals with the family. The chapter's main focus is on this topic, that is the piecemeal distribution. So this is the balance which is available, which we have to pay. Now we have to decide to whom we must pay. Beta, here the amount can be calculated by any of two method. It means this chapter belongs to this step, and here chapter start and say, this unit start and say, you may calculate such amount which is being calculated for the distribution among the partners. You may calculate such amount by any of following two method. Okay, beta. And first method is there, that is the surplus distribution method. Another name is also there, that is the proportionate distribution method. Sometimes we say highest capital method, highest capital ratio method. Or another name is there, ratio wise method, something like that. Okay, beta. Second method is there, that is the maximum possible loss method. Approximately the same answer is calculated by both the method. In exam, question will give us a particular method to apply in the question. Okay, beta. Usually, if nothing given, then always we prefer to apply method number 1, that is the surplus distribution method, proportionate method, highest capital ratio method, etc. Names are there. So I am waiting to get the message from all of the students that you are active or not. I don't think so that you are active. Otherwise, there could be some messages. I am waiting, beta. Show me your activeness first, everyone. Harshit, Diksha, Himanshu, Rajveer, Sunil, Jia, Sahu, Kiran, Swati, Komal, Anu, everyone, Sagar. I am still waiting. Maring, Harish, and all rest of the students. I am still waiting for your message that you are active. Full active, sir. Active. Yes, Jia is active, Himanshu is active, Swati is active. Show me your Joes, everyone. Sunil, till now, no doubt, sir. Anupriya active. Kiran, Komal, Hare Krishna, Nirali. Kiran, okay. Okay. Now, beta, this is the step where you have to be more focused. Okay, beta. Now, see. Now, imagine you and me are in partner. As we decided, your name is B, my name is A, and another one is also there, who is C. Beta, we shall prepare here a working note. So, I am moving to a working note now. I am moving here for working note now. अरे बाप रे, कहाँ गया? अच्छा, चलो यहीं पे कर दिया, चलो यहीं कर देते हैं. बेटा, I have to prepare here a working note now. So, working note number 1. Working note. And such working note depends on the question requirement. Here we have to calculate to whom we are paying first. And this working will be in the same manner as the question will ask. If question will ask you maximum possible loss method, then you will give here maximum possible loss method. If question is asking you highest capital ratio method or proportionate distribution method, whatever the name will be there, then you will write here the same method. So I am writing here highest. I am writing here method number 1, highest relative capital method. Sir, means, okay, let's discuss just one thing. Beta, you already know that as per this question, we have given some name to each other, A, B, and C. And our outstanding balances are there, which we need to settle here. 1,02,400, 1,02,400, and 1,01,200. Okay. So total is there 3,06,000, which we need to settle. Now, I am trying to say one more thing, that beta, there is ratio. Ratio is there, that is profit and loss ratio is there, that is 2:1. This is ratio among us. And since I am your teacher, I will be asking you, beta, the available amount is there. That is how much? That is available amount is there, sir. At present, sir, available amount is there, that is 54,000. Okay. And I am saying, beta, please pay me first because I am your teacher and you will allow me. Is this okay to everyone, or you will oppose? I am writing here, paid to Ajarati sir first because he is our teacher and he is respected and he will be paid first. Will you allow me, everyone? Either give here message, otherwise I will take my payment first. I am going to take my payment first. So first 54,000 will be mine. Yes, sir. Okay. Sunil has given me Okay, Harshit is saying no, I will oppose, but all rest of students are inactive. Either say yes sir, you are allowed, otherwise disallow me. I will take my own share first and I will be enjoying. Oh, very good. This is my own. I will recover my first. I will recover my share first. You know, another relations are also coming. That is 1,80,000. I will recover rest of the my payment. Definitely. No, no, sir, no. Everyone is saying, beta, are you not respect your teacher? Are you not the student who respect their teacher? Why you are saying Kiran, Anu, Swati? Why you are saying no? Why Harshit? सर टीचर को करो साइड, यहाँ बिजनेसमैन वाली बात करो. ओके ओके ओके, यस, दैट्स द थीम आई वांट टू give you. Beta, here you have to calculate in a justifiable manner in this way. The method's purpose is there that if someone has invested because of any reason, if someone has invested more as compared to his ratio, that person must be paid first. That excess part must be settled first who have invested more as compared to the ratio. It means the profit and loss, whatever the situation is there, loss situation or profit, whatever the situation is there, which will remain, that must be in profit and loss ratio. Hence, first payment will be made to the person who has invested more. Okay, beta. For that, we have to calculate who has invested more. That's the reason it is the name has been given highest relative capital method. First, we have to calculate who have invested in the capital form more. कराते हैं सर, मिलने के बाद देंगे. हर्षित, excellent. So you can do getting per unit share. How much amount is there which belongs to per unit for each and every person? Please listen to me very carefully. Put your pen down and be focused more, because here if you will get this concept, then definitely you will be having full chapter in your hand. There is nothing except this. There is no any other speed breaker in this chapter. Please put your pen down and be focused more. So can I calculate per unit base? Can I calculate per unit base for each and every person what the person are paying to get 1 unit part of the ratio? As like Mr. A. Mr. A is having the ratio unit 2 points, and what the amount is there as an investment for each and every point. So can I divide this? Everyone, please use your calculator. 1,02,400 he is having share as an investment, as a capital balance in the firm, and he is getting 2 points. So what the per point unit base is there for him? Divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. It means he is having 51,200 unit cost to get 1 point of profit loss ratio. Oh, very good. And for B also the same cost is there, 51,200. Yes, very easy. And Mr. C is on the costlier side. Beta, he is having investment more, while here he is having only the 1 point. Okay, beta. So per unit point cost for him is this one. Please try to pack all these things simultaneously. Try to avoid the repetition so that you may be able to get all the things in the single shot, because this is the very important part of this chapter. So if I calculate who is the person who is investing more, then first I have to calculate what the amount per unit base is there for each and every person. Now I am choosing lowest. Now I am choosing lowest. Can I change the ratio? Yes, I think do just one thing, beta. Do just one thing, please. That will be more effective for all of you. Do just one thing. The ratio I took earlier, please take that. Instead of 2 to 1, please take 3 to 1. That will give you more clarity. Please change the ratio 2 to 1 to shift to 3 to 1. please change the ratio 3:1. Please take ratio here 3:1 so that you may get more clarity about this topic. Okay, so I am changing here ratio, that is 3:1. That is 3:1. That will give you more clarity. So now I want to ask you all what the amount per unit they are having. Who will tell me first? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting for a message. Everyone has to answer now. What the amount per unit base is there for each and every person? So 1,02,400 is there for Mr. A, the total amount, and divided by 3. Sir, it means he is having the investment part for per unit, that is 3,4,133.3 bar. Bete, in the calculator we shall take point figure also up to the last, but here we shall put here only the rounded figure. Very good answer, Anu. Very good. What the cost for the per unit by Mr. B? That is, of course, 51,200. And the what the cost is there to get 1 point in the ratio for Mr. C? That is 1,01,200. You know, who is investing more? Of course, he is investing more. Sir, reserve and surplus is distributed in the yes, we need to change. Yes, you are right, beta. Okay, do just one thing. You are right, beta. We have to change our reserve and surplus also. 3 to 5 और 6. Okay, 1,03,000, 1,02,000. Sorry, 1,01,000. 3 और 5 और 6. Yes, you are right, beta. We have to change our reserve and surplus ratio also. Please change so that you may get more clarity. I am changing the figure. Please, you also change. Don't worry. It is the live example, not the scripted example. So there may be some changes. So 1 lakh. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. There is nothing which is big for us. We are taking the live example and we are having the good things, good clarity, more clarity as compared to earlier figure. So 1,03,000, 321, 1,02,000, 1,01,000 will be there, because in such case, reserve and surplus will be distributed in the ratio that will be different: 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Hence, the ratios change, then figure change. So finally, balance will be same, that is 1,03,000, 1,02,000, and 1,01,000. Don't worry. 3,20,000 है तो वही रहा. 3,20,000, 3,12,000 ना. ठीक है, 3,06,000. ठीक है जी. ओके जी. Now give me ready that we are ready and we are clear up to this. Beta, I have changed some ratio and you have updated. Balance also changed. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Now, moving to working note. Now, beta, see. What is the amount per unit base? 1,03,000 divided by 3. That is 34,333. 1,02,000 divided by 2. 51,000. And 1,01,000. So, I am waiting, beta, to get confirmation first that you are not confused and you are having all the things updated. You have changed the ratio and there is no confusion with you all. Beta, please let me know. I am waiting, beta. Diksha is ready. Harshit is ready. Sunil is saying yes, we are ready, sir. Please let me know that there is no confusion as we have changed the ratio. I will move forward only after the confirmation, beta. Please let me know. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Everything is clear. Okay, beta. Now, beta, see. Can you please tell me and please answer me fast? Can you please tell me who is the person which is having lower unit base? Lowest unit base. Choose the lowest. किसको सबसे कम पड़ रहा है पर यूनिट का? Of course, this is the lowest unit base. Okay, beta? A. Yes, very good. Beta, C is having heavy cost. Himanshu, who is having lowest cost? I am asking for that. Okay, Himanshu? So based on that, please calculate what the required capital for others, for all the thing, all the person. Required capital based on lowest unit base. What the required capital for all of you based on the lowest unit base? Sir, Mr. A is having per unit cost 3433. Yes, we have chosen that. Based on that, he must be investing 1,03,000. Okay, how such has been came? 34333 multiplied by his ratio, that is 3. Okay, 34333. Better take point figure also in calculation. Multiplied by 2, then he must be investing. Based on that, he should have be the investor of this amount, that is 34333.333333. Take into calculator. Multiplied by 2, then he must be investing only 68667. Yes, of course. And what Mr. C should invest based on the lowest unit base? 34333 multiplied by 1. He should be the investor of only this amount, sir. Can you please tell what the amount they have as an excess, or you can say surplus? Who will tell me? Very good. Himanshu has answered. So, beta, please tell me what they have invested more. This guy, Mr. B, has invested 33333 more. Okay. And what about rest? 1,03,000 minus 1,03,000, that is nil. He has not invested more because he is the person of which lowest unit base has been chosen as a base. It means he is already having lowest. It means based on that we are calculating. So he has not invested more as per this. Now, based on that, we have calculated Mr. B should be the investor of 68667. So he has invested 1,02,000. 1,02,000 minus 68667. It means he has invested more, 33333. And what about Mr. C? Mr. C has invested 1,01,000, and he should be having the investment based on the choose lowest unit base 3433 multiplied by 1. He should be the investor of 34333 only. He is having excess, or you can say surplus investment, that is 66667. So now, please let me know, up to this everything is okay to you all or not? Beta, I am waiting, beta. This is what? This is called surplus. This is called surplus. This is called surplus capital, or you can say highest capital, highest relative capital, or you can say surplus capital. Everything is okay up to this? Very good. C का ज्यादा surplus है. Very good. Beta, please, I want answer from all of you. Only few are answering. Beta, I want confirmation from all of you, because this is the method which is although very easy, but sometimes it gets complicated. So that's the reason I am moving the class with slow, very slow. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the available amount? Sir, available amount is there. How much? 54,000. Okay. It means first, to whom we should pay? Sir, first we should pay 54,000. Okay. But to whom? Since 54,000 is available, we have to distribute. Yes. But to whom we should pay? Sir, B and C must be receiving first this excess amount. And what is the amount total, sir? That is total. If we do total, sir, it such become 1 lakh. It means for B and C, first we have to make payment of 1 lakh. Only then we can say now the payment will be in profit and loss ratio. But my dear friends, amount available is not 1 lakh. Amount available is only 54,000. So again, we have to repeat such a step between B and C. Now we have to check between B and C who have invested more, and first that surplus over surplus will be paid first. Okay. So now I am repeating the same procedure between B and C. Again, I am putting here the ratio, profit and loss ratio of B and C only, 2:1. Can I calculate per unit base again between them, only for them? Because A is not now in the queue. A is not in queue right now because available amount is not even to pay 1 lakh. Okay. So who will get first? I am asking you, beta. First you answer me. Then I will calculate. Who will answer me first? That out of such B and C, who is having the investment, more investment as compared to their ratio? Very good. Very good. Now the competition to calculate the surplus is between B and C. So per unit base is there, 33,333 divided by 2. That is 16667. Yes, of course. And here, of course, 66667. Beta, can you please tell me who is having lowest base? Sir, in this case, Mr. B is having lowest base. Okay. So based on that, again, repeat the same step. What the required capital between B and C? Required capital, that is, how much is there? That is 16667 multiplied by 2. He should be investing 33333. He has already invested. And what about him? 16667 multiplied by 1. He is having ratio in 1 point. It means he should be investing 16667 only. What the amount they are having surplus as an investment? Sir, Mr. B is not having anything surplus, to whom we can say that is the surplus capital. And here we are finding the figure, that is the difference, that is the 50,000. 66,667 minus 16,667. That is 50,000. So can I say C is only the person who has invested more as compared to other? So if we try to find out the solution in this way, that the remaining amount should be in profit and loss ratio, first we have to pay first those amount which have been invested by the person more as compared to he should be the investor according to their profit and loss ratio. So first we have to pay 50,000 to Mr. C. If payment is done to Mr. C, okay, first we have to pay Mr. C. Okay, first pay to Mr. C. Please write it down. Pay to C. That is 50,000. So payment is being made to Mr. C. That is 50,000. Can you please calculate the balance? What the balance is there? Yes, sir. 4,000 is available amount. And this is the balance. Mr. A could not get anything in this amount. Mr. B could not also Mr. B also could not get anything, and here 51,000 remaining balance is there. 3,01,000 remaining balance there. Still 4,000 is available. सर ऐसे सरप्लस कैपिटल कब तक निकालते हैं? यस बेटा, जब तक हमारी अवेलेबल अमाउंट बराबर ना आ जाए लास्ट जो बचा हुआ है सरप्लस वहां तक का। आइए मैं वापस आता हूं। we repeat such steps up to the point where the amount available becomes equal to the surplus at the last. Here we repeated the step. Why we repeated the step? Because beta, even though this is the excess amount, that is 1 lakh, but amount available was not 1 lakh. That was only 54,000. Hence, we have to calculate the shorter amount is to be distributed to whom first. So, we repeated this step because we have to calculate to whom we have to pay first. Okay, beta? Harshit, ho gaya clear? So, after paying this, now 4,000 will be paid to whom? 4,000 will be paid to whom? Beta, until and unless this amount is paid, beta, while you will be paying now this amount. See, please put your pen down and be focused. Now, second number is for this amount, because while you will be paying this amount in the between them in ratio, then you will see that such amount has been paid. Please do total. If we pay 1 and 2, then it becomes surplus capital. After that, we have to pay this one thing. Third number is for this one thing. Of course, that will be in ratio. Okay, beta? So please, the excess part is being paid now. Now, we are having the amount available, that is 4,000, and 4,000 will compensate only this. 50,000 has been paid here. Now, beta, remaining 4,000 will be paid between B and C to compensate this inequality of ratio. Can I pay now 4,000 between B and C in 2:1 ratio? Please let me know this point is clear to you all or not. Please give me message. I am waiting, beta. Interaction in two ways must at this time. Now I am paying 4,000 between B and C in their profit and loss ratio 2:1. So this 4,000 will be paid to B and C in remaining ratio 2:1. 4,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. That is 2,667. One, 3, 3, 3. Okay, beta. Now, since we have distributed 54,000 totally, the amount available balance is nil. Nine, 3,333 is the balance. Sorry, 99. Wait a minute. 99,333, and here 51,000 minus 1,333. That is 49,667. 11 में से 4 के बचे 7. No, 297. Yes sir, clear. Yes sir, clear है. Okay, okay. So after distributing such, now moving to next relation, that is what? On which date? Beta, next relation is of which date? So next relation is on 7th of August. That is the 1,80,000. On 7th of August. realization of fixed assets. What is the amount that has been realized from the fixed assets? हाँ जी, realized from fixed assets 1,80,000। 3 लाख एक अच्छा 3,01,000 का बैलेंस गलत है। ओके 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 बेटा, हम इसको ठीक कर देते हैं। यस 50,000 है नहीं? यस वेरी गुड। 2,56,000 वेरी गुड। minus 4,000 it means 2,52,000 is now okay beta Harshit? Okay, yes, okay beta, very good Diksha, very good Harshit, very good Sunil. Okay, now I have updated this calculation. Yes, there was a calculation mistake. Anyways, beta, now we have to calculate this. Beta, to whom we must pay first? So amount available is more. You can give in a single shot. Okay. Now we have to do this thing. I'm gonna give you break. Don't worry. See, what is the amount we need to pay to B and C to compensate this pink, this one, to compensate up to this. Sir, you have paid 50,000. Yes. Now you have to pay this circle amount. Please add circle amount 33,333 plus 16,667. That becomes 50,000. Out of such, this becomes 50,000 because 33,333 plus 16,667 becomes 50,000. And out of such 50,000, we have already paid such 4,000. What the amount is remaining? Already paid 4,000 out of such. What the this one? What the amount is remaining? That is 46,000. If we pay 46,000 to B and C, then definitely that will be able to compensate in a single shot the remaining inequality. So out of such, if we pay this one, what is that, sir? Beta C. Mr. B and C should be paid this 33,333 and this 16,667. Yes, sir. And what we paid here? Sir, this is the total 50,000. Yes, sir. If we paid this one, then equality gone. Yes, but we paid only 4,000 and we paid this 4,000 in this way. We paid to him 26,667 and to him 1333. It means still this 46,000 is there, which is remaining, which can be called as inequality between the ratio. Okay, so what we should pay to them? Sir, first we have to pay such remaining part 33,333 minus 26,667. That is, we have to pay more 3666 and here 16,667 minus 1333. We have to pay this amount also 15,334. In that case, we can say the second is payment scenario has been compensated. Is clear up to this or not? Out of such 1,80,000, now we are paying this 46,000 so that inequality can be removed. Paid to B and C first. Sorry, 15, 46. Paid to B and C first. How much that is? 30,666, 30,666 और 15,334. 30,666 और जी 15,334. अगर हम ये पे कर देते हैं, if we pay this, then all the inequality between the among the partners for in regards to ratio will be removed, and their capital balances will be in their their profit and loss ratio. 1,34,000 remaining, 1,03,000 remaining, 68,667, 49,667 minus 15,334, 34,333, 252 minus 46, that is 2,06,000. Am I right? Clear. Remaining 46,000, but very good, beta swing, very good. So I am asking you again, up to this everything is okay? So can I say now everything will be distributed among all the partners because such inequality has been removed by paying them such 1 lakh. 1 lakh has been paid in the two form, 50,000 and again 50,000. Okay, beta? 54,000 and 46,000. Okay. So now all the payments will be made to A, B, and C in their profit loss ratio. What the amount is remaining there? 1,34,000. Now all the payment will be paid to A, B, and C. 3 in their profit loss ratio, 3:2:1. So full 1,34,000 will be paid. Beta, please distribute such. 3 to 5 और 6. That is 67,000 will be paid to him. 3 to 5 और 6 into 2/6. That is 44,667. 22,333. 12,000. 24,000. 36,000. See, now their capitals are in their profit loss ratio 3:2:1. See, that was the main purpose of this method, that to remove the inequality of ratio, the excess capital part must be paid first. Now, what is the next? Sir, on 8th of August, again, another relation is there. Okay, beta, that is 40,000. Okay. On 8th of August, realization of fixed assets. See, realization from fixed assets. How much amount is there? अभी तो देखा था यार, क्या था? 40,000. Yes, that is 40,000 minus paid to A, B, and C in the ratio 3:2:1. Since it is the last realization of this question, hence we are closing this. But a nil balance is there. This must be distributed. Of course, 3 or 5 or 6. 20,000 will be paid to this person. That is 60,000. 40,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 6. 13333 minus 24,000. कितना हो गया? 10,667. 40,000 multiplied by 1 by 6. That is 6,667 minus 12,000. That is 5,333. Beta C, remaining 32,000, that is the loss, actual loss for the partners, and that loss is also in profit loss ratio. Can you please divide? Can you please distribute 32,000 into 3 to 1? See, the same amount you will get 3:2:1. The final profit loss ratio, the final remaining amount is also in the profit loss ratio. That is the main purpose of this concept. Sir, can we do a question? Yes, better we can do, but first we have to take a break so that you may be able to get the things accumulated. Okay. If you want to utilize your time during the break, then please read one question. That will be your homework. That will be your homework. That is illustration number 8. If you want to utilize your time during the break, then please read this illustration number 8. This is your homework. But first you have to read this first. Beta, you can utilize your time by reading all these things. Okay. After the break. Yes, break work. Homework nahi, break work. Yes, you are right. He is saying, Himanshu is saying, sir, this is not homework, this is break work. Okay. Break work. Yes, hello everyone. Beta, show me your presence fast. We are starting. Okay. Let's start illustration number 9. Illustration number 9. Yes, illustration number 9. Everyone, beta, there is no need to transfer PNL here. That is the automatically transfer. Don't worry, Muhammad Aslam. Okay. So in the statement, you need not to say like this. Don't worry. Okay. Aslam, please let me know. Doubt is clear to you. Okay. Thank you. Clear. Okay. Now, illustration number 9. Beta, use time smartly. This is the important question. That's the reason I am solving this in class. Okay, but write down here, very important question. Same question you will find in my book also. That regarding that I have already told you. Okay, beta. Their only name has been changed. Now, see, the firm of LMS was dissolved on 31st March 2021. But a firm was dissolved on this date. At which date? At which date? Balance sheet as follows. But a balance sheet was given. Balance sheet was given of this date. Now, see, partners profit and loss ratio is also equal 1:1:1. This is the profit and loss ratio. Now, see, we have fixed assets, cash in bank, etc., loans, that is a partner's loan, internal liabilities. These are the external liabilities. Okay. Now, what question is saying? A firm of chartered accountants. Beta, this is also kind of the service which you can provide after becoming chartered accountant. See, for which you are getting the fees, and this is the fees of earlier time. Now the fees definitely will be something different. See, question is saying is a firm of chartered accountants is retained to realize the assets and distribute the cash, and their fees, which include all the expenses, fixed rupees 1 lakh. It means these are the realization expenses which firm is receiving and this partnership firm is paying. It means these are what? These are realization. These are what? These are realization expenses. Okay. Next one. No loss is expected on realization since fixed assets include valuable land and building. Okay. Now question has given us the realized amount. The realized amount is there, which question is already given to us. Okay. What question is saying here? See, these are the amount which has been realized, and now question is saying chartered accountant firm decide to pay partners in high relative capital method. You are required to prepare beta for what? In exam you will get marks. You are required to prepare a statement showing distribution of cash with necessary workings. Okay, this is the question. Can I start? Everyone give me a ready. I am waiting. Show me your activeness. Only few person are there who have answered properly after the break. I am still waiting. Show me your activeness everyone. बेटा वेट कर रहा हूं मैं तुम्हारा, जल्दी से बताओ तुम लोग जाग रहे हो, कह दो कि तुम जाग रहे हो, बस अब बात ये कह दी जाए. Okay, now see, please. Okay, can I solve this question from PDF directly? It will be much better to save your time, because there is nothing which can be called as more presentation requirement here. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Ready. Yes. Beta, see, first you are preparing here solution in this way. Statement showing piecemeal distribution. In the books of Messrs. LMS, statement showing, Haji sir जाग रहे हैं, awaken. Let's start. Piecemeal distribution. First, we prepared a statement. The same columns are there. Particulars, amount available, external liabilities. Here, external liabilities are both creditors and bank loan. Next one, else loan, capital. Okay, Sahu. See, balance sheet balances are there. Beta, first we are putting here the balances. Beta, cash balance is there. That is how much? Wait a minute. That is 2 lakh. Okay. 2 lakh. And first install. Okay. Question has given us 2 lakh including the realization here. But question is saying including 2 lakh. So we can say realization part is there 3 lakh. And in this cash balance 2 lakh has been included. It means total balance is there 5 lakh. Okay, but can I write here in this way that it should be written in this way that balance is there 2 lakh and plus realization 3 lakh. In this way, it should be written anyways. So 5 lakh is there regarding which question is telling us. Next one. Another balances are also there which we have to put. That is creditors. Creditors are what? Creditors and bank loans are external liabilities. Creditors and bank loans are external liabilities. But now putting the figure in the statement. Creditors, bank loans, and beta partners loans and partners capitals have also been put in here. I don't think so there will be any confusion regarding this. Now, next one. Since we have put it all these information there, capital balances are also there, loan balances also there, partners loan. Okay, beta. Now realization part is coming and we have to focus on realization part. But before that, realization expenses are also there. Question has given us realization expenses. So first we shall kept the amount for realization expenses. It means amount available for distribution is equal to only 4 lakh. So now it's the time to distribute such 4 lakh to the required person. Okay, beta. Now, next one. Beta, question has given us one thing, that is bank loan. That is bank loan. I want to discuss with you all, even though in the study material such have not been discussed, still I want to discuss with you all one thing. Beta, bank loan can be of two types, secured and unsecured. Secured and unsecured. Here, if question gives us that this is what, this is secured bank loan, then definitely there could have been some security. If question gives us, because that will be the doubt which you can find in any other question while you will be trying the past examination question or any other writer book. I do not want to give you even a single confusion even later. Beta, such bank loan, if there is given word secured, it means definitely there could have been some security. Beta, in such case, if fixed assets is being realized, then first we shall utilize that realized amount regarding such secured loan. Until and unless 5 lakh is being paid, nothing will be there that could have been paid to creditors or L loan and etc. If secured word is with bank's loan, although in this question there is no secured word, so I am removing this from graph, and since nothing is given, hence of course security is not given, so we will be treated as unsecured. So both of these are at each equal level. Unsecured. Okay. Now see, realization amount is there. That is how much? 5 lakh. Out of such, 1 lakh has been kept regarding the provision for expenses. Now 4 lakh is being paid first to external person, and those are these two. But these two are there, and since both of them are at equal level, none of the person is there who can have the priority, because both of them are unsecured. Hence, such amount will be distributed in their amount outstanding ratio. Hence, please use calculator. Start calculation, everyone. 4 lakh multiplied by 2 lakh divided by 7 lakh. It means 1 lakh 4,000, sorry, 14,000 is there, that has been distributed here in the ratio 2 by 7. Okay, beta, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Please let me know up to this everything is okay or not. I am waiting for your answer, beta. What the amount that can be said still pending is remaining balance. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Everyone, please let me know everything is clear up to this or not, step by step. So next realization is also there. I am waiting for message, beta. Next realization is there. That is 15 lakh. Can I expect answer from all of you? Everything is clear up to this or not? Please let me know. Rajveer, Sahu, Harshit, Nirali, Aslam, Swati, Komal, and all rest of the students, Himanshu, and all rest of the students. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay. Now, out of such 15 lakh, first we have to pay these two remaining balances of creditors and bank's loan. Okay, beta. And that becomes total 3 lakh. So first we have to pay such 3 lakh. Okay. And after that, remaining 12 lakh is there, that has to be distributed. Out of such, we have paid this one. Now beta, this 12 lakh is ready to pay partners capital, but we have to choose the capital which is to be paid first, and that has to be chosen by lowest capital method. Beta, please, sorry, highest capital method. Beta, illustration number 9. Please do calculation to be part of your working note. Beta, this is what working note. Please do calculation. A, B, C, and then total. Sir, do we need to do calculation each and every time? No, beta. First, we have to check whether this available amount 12 lakh is sufficient to pay full amount of all the partners remaining outstanding. For that, we have to total those first. How much is the amount? Beta, in regards to capital. Okay. First 12 lakh has been paid to partner loan. Okay. 10 lakh. Then remaining amount is there 2 lakh. Is this 2 lakh available to pay full dues? 15, 10 and 5. Total is that 30 lakh. So 2 lakh is not sufficient to pay 30 lakh. Hence, we have to do such calculation. Okay, beta. So 2 lakh is available, not 12 lakh, because partner loan was also there. Anyway, so we have to calculate. We have to calculate to whom this must be paid first. A, B, and C is there, or any other name. Name is there. LMS. Okay. L and M and S. What is the balance? That is outstanding. Please check 15 lakh, 10 lakh and 5 lakh. So beta 15 lakh, 10 lakh and 5 lakh. Beta 30 lakh is there. Okay. Now what is the profit and loss ratio? What is the profit and loss ratio? Question has given us that all are equal. It means the ratio among them is 1:1:1. So can we calculate unit base? Yes. Per unit base. Per unit base. That is 15 lakh. That is 10 lakh. And that is 5 lakh. Choose the lowest. So I am choosing here lowest. But the lowest is this one. Based on that, we are calculating the required capital. Required capital based on lowest. So 5 lakh multiplied 1, that is 5 lakh. 5 lakh multiplied by 1, that is 5 lakh. And that is already 5 lakh. It means what the amount they have invested excessively. Here, the amount excess invested is, what is the amount? That is 10 lakh and then 5 lakh. Okay. So is amount available 2 lakh sufficient to pay in a single shot? No. Hence again we have to repeat such a step. Again we have to calculate. अच्छा, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? This will be called surplus capital, but we are not having the same amount balance, 15 lakh amount balance. Balance available is only 2 lakh. So again we have to repeat such step per unit base. And ratio is there, of course, 1:1. So based on that, per unit base is there. Wait a minute. Per unit base. Please calculate per unit base. That is 10 lakh and then 5 lakh. Better choose the lowest. Of course, lowest. Based on that, we shall be calculating again the required capital. That is 5 lakh multiplied by 1. That is 5 lakh. 5 lakh multiplied by 1, of course, 5 lakh. Here no need to calculate. So what is the amount which can be called as surplus over surplus? So beta, surplus over surplus capital. That is, of course, such 5 lakh. So first we have to pay such 5 lakh to L. Until and unless L has received 5 lakh, we cannot shift any amount. We cannot pay any amount to any other partner. After that, then we have to pay such required capital base. In that case, while we pay all these things, then such could be able to compensate this excess part. When we follow 1 and 2, then that will compensate such excess part. And after that, there will be in the performance ratio of all the partners. So I am waiting from you the answer, beta. Is this okay to all of you or not? I am waiting, beta. Everyone, please let me know. Everything is okay up to this or not? I am still waiting. Rajiv, Rajiv, Sahu, Sunil, Aslam, Harshit, Komal, Sahu, Nirali, and all rest of the students. Yes, sir. Clear till now. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Okay. Now, beta, please apply this thing. So first 2 lakh will be paid to, of course, L. Beta, see, this is the amount which has been paid to Mr. L. Okay. And after that, what the remaining amount balances are there? See, 13 lakh is there, 10 lakh is there, which is pending, and 5 lakh is there, which is pending. And amount balance is available is nil. This is the cash remaining balance. Okay. Now, third installment is there, which is being realized. Third installment is there, that is 15 lakh is being realized. Now, out of such 15 lakh, first we have to pay what? Since Mr. L was paid, Mr. L was paid how much? 2 lakh only. Still they need to be paid. What they need to be paid? They need to be paid still balancing 3 lakh. Okay, beta. So out of next realization, that is how much? That is 15 lakh. First we have to pay 3 lakh to whom? Mr. L. So first we have paid 3 lakh to Mr. L so that full 5 lakh can be paid to Mr. L. The remaining balances are these one. 10 lakh pending, 10 lakh pending, 5 lakh pending, 12 lakh. And what we did? Sir, we did this one. We paid this 3 lakh also. It means we have paid this 5 lakh to Mr. L. And now it's the time to distribute remaining part. Please don't move fast, move slowly, because these are the concepts which are although very, very easy, but still there may be some confusion if you are not linking properly. Anyways, such 5 lakh has been paid. Now it's the time to pay both the person L and M in their profit loss ratio to compensate such 5 and 5. What the amount we are having in the balance? Sir. Yes, beta. Sir, out of such 15 lakh, we have distributed how much? Remaining 3 lakh, and then 12 lakh is available. Okay, this 12 lakh is available now. Yes. Sir, can we pay 10 lakh immediately? Now you tell me. You have to pay the second number in written in pink. Yes, we can pay directly. So here we shall pay directly such 10 lakh to compensate such excess part. In this way, you will find that the excess part of Mr. L and M has been compensated. Now everything will be distributed to all the partners in their profit loss ratio. The remaining amount still how much? 2 lakh. Now, since we have already compensated point number 1 and point number 2, it means we have compensated this one and this one. Now it's the time to distribute all the rest of the amount with S also in their profit loss ratio. So beta, now we are sharing this 2 lakh with L, M and S in the ratio 1:1:1. That is the profit loss ratio. So all the persons are now getting the payment. The remaining part is there, balance is nil, and this one are the balances. Now next realization is there. After 15 lakh, 30 lakh is being realized, then again 30 lakh. So this is the 30 lakh that is being paid again in the ratio 1:1:1. So beta, after this, the remaining balances are how much? 4,33,333 is outstanding, and we are paying 10 lakh. It means we are paying now extra. It means the company, partnership firm dissolution is now in profitability. So 5,666 is there. That is the surplus. That is the extra payment. It means that there will be profit on realization also. Okay, beta. So again, one more 30 lakh is there which has been received from realization. It means, sir, 30 will be paid again, and this will be the final amount. So beta, if you prepare a realization account, although in this case realization account should not be prepared, but if you want to cross check if all the amount being realized on a single date, then you can also cross check just for own satisfaction. Do not try this. Just for own satisfaction, you can try that if all the amount could have been realized on a single date, then and that could be the relation profit, and the profit has been distributed in the profit loss ratio also. See, the amount remaining is there, that is in profit loss ratio, and here profit loss ratio is of course 1:1:1. I hope all of you are getting the things properly. Please let me know whether you have got your answer properly or not, because last method I want to discuss with you all. Everyone, I am waiting for your answer, beta. I want to discuss with you all last method, that is the maximum possible loss method. That is the maximum possible loss method. Profit statement, sir. But nothing is there further to do. We have to prepare only a statement which is showing how the payment is coming gradually and how the payment is being done gradually. That is only the things we have to show here. Okay. Okay, everyone. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay. Please take homework. Please take homework. That is in regards to this question number 3 and question number 4 in practical. Wait a minute. In practical. Practice part. Page number 2.55. See. Test your knowledge. Question number 3 and question number 4. Sir, question number 4, okay. And question number 3 is also okay. Beta, these questions have been asked by maximum possible loss method. Question number 3 is also there. Okay. 3 is there, that is 356. No. Question number 4 is there. Yes. That is this one. 4 and 5. 5 is also there. That is also your homework. In this case, highest capital method is being asked in case of question number 5. Beta, same question will be your homework by maximum possible loss method when I will be discussing with you all this method also. Okay. Now I want to give these two questions in homework by the highest capital method, even though question has solved this one by maximum possible loss method, but still I want to ask you all this one in homework by highest capital method ratio, because only the working change. Yes, both methods are having same answer, approximately same answer. Okay, beta. Final profit loss, final remaining balance will be same by both the method. Okay. Please start second method. Please start, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, beta. Now, moving back to the illustration which I discussed with you all. Which illustration, sir? Beta, you know, I have taken an example with you all. Yes. And what was that? See, now we are moving to maximum possible loss method, but we have to do, we have to revise first the illustration which we have done. We have taken, rather I would like to say example. Example I created in class, beta, this one. We sold this example. Can I say, give this example number 1 of piecemeal distribution? Yes, sir. Please give an example number 2nd. Please give example number 2nd. Please write here example number 2nd. Example number 2nd. And write down here, solve the example number 1 by maximum possible loss method. Okay. I would like to tell you, there will be no difference. Write down here answer. Write down here answer, main answer. Sorry, main answer will be seen only and only working note will be changed. Working note for, please note it down, for calculation of payment priority. Will be changed. सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन का जो तरीका है ना, वर्किंग नोट फॉर मेथड ऑफ कैलकुलेशन, इसको ऐसे लिखो, मेथड, मेथड फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ पेमेंट प्रायोरिटी विल चेंज. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Only the difference is this, that working note presentation will be changed, working note calculation method will be changed. So I am taking the same working note here first. Okay beta, what I am trying to say, that only this way to do the solution will be changed. So I am copying this working note first. Okay, now you will see what are the differences if the same working note is being copied here. कहाँ है कहाँ है कहाँ है कहाँ है, ये रहा ये रहा. Now what the changes I am doing here, beta, I am first I am changing here name. Please note it down. First I am changing here name, that is maximum possible loss method. Now I am removing rest of the things from here. Only the way to calculate will be changed. Okay. So I am solving now this example with another method. So can you please tell me what was the first realization amount? On first realization was there or I have to again turn page for first realization. On first realization, and that was of what is the amount at the first time, what was being realized in the example? Yes, can I put it there? I am copying such also there, so that I need not to change the page again and again. I am putting the figure here. So on first realization, what will the scenario? Beta, first realization is there, and what is that? That is this one. Amount is 8,000. See, on first realization of current assets, rupees 8,000. Can I request you, please put your pen down and listen and understand carefully, so that you may able to catch each and everything with clarity. Everyone, please give me ready. Show me your activeness. I want to discuss with you all the things, but beta, first you have to tell me that you are totally active, because I want concentration, full concentration from all of you. Yes, but both the method, same answer. Yes, ready, active. Okay. Now see, beta, purpose of this method is also the same. The remaining amount must be in profit loss ratio. If we think that this is the last realization, please put your pen down and make full concentration. If we think this is only the last realization, at each and every step you have to think this one. If we think this is only the last realize, what the maximum possible loss can happen, and that must be in the profit loss ratio. It means if this is only the last thing, so total amount required is 3,06,000. Yes, sir. And there is realization that is only 8,000. Yes, sir. It means maximum possible loss that can happen here is, that is 2,98,000. Maximum possible loss. What the maximum possible loss can happen? And that must be, sir, कैपेसिटी फुल होने वाली है दिमाग की. आई नो हर्षित, दैट्स द रीजन आई एम आस्किंग अगेन अगेन, इसलिए मैं बार बार पूछ रहा हूं. डोंट वरी. सो what will be the ratio? You know, we have taken here ratio, and that should be in the 3:2:1. So such loss will have to be distributed among the partners in this ratio. This must be in this ratio. It means 2,92,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. That is, it means such person will have to bear 1,49,000 if 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 this is the scenario where this is only the last realization. Okay, beta, into 2 by 3. And what will be the share of next? 99,333. Next, 1 divided by 2. That is 49,667. So this is the amount which they could not be able to get collect. Okay, beta. It means the maximum possible loss is this one. Then how the 8,000 will have to be distributed to whom? Such would have been distributed 1,03,000 minus 1,49,000. It means 46,000 will be loss for him. Okay. 1,02,000 minus 99,333. It means he could get 2,667. Only then remaining amount will be 99,333. Okay. 1,01,000 minus 49,667. It means 51,333. Okay. Now, since it is the last scenario that 8,000 is the last amount, after that nothing will be realized. It means remaining to be paid, this is to be paid or received. But beta, in this case there will be loss, and as per Gardner versus Murray, such loss is to be borne by B and C. So 46,000 will be distributed between them in their capital amount ratio. I want to discuss with you all these things, but I do not want to mash up the concept, since Harshit is saying, sir, capacity is full, and like that. I think other persons are also there who will be having you may be able to connect properly. You may not lose anything. In the next class, I will practice with you all this question, but whatever I have given you in homework, that must be solved by at least by that method, whatever I have covered. Okay. So although I want to move forward with this class, but I do not want to compromise with the concept. I think it will be compromised with the concept if you will be in the situation that you are moving slowly and I am moving fast. So beta, please, I am closing today's session. I do not want to continue the session right now. Okay, beta. So please don't please do homework and don't worry. Everything will be covered as per the target. But only the thing is there that you have to do homework properly. Okay, Harshit? Ab to pareshan nahi ho? Anyways, I am again saying the same thing, that please give your feedback, whatever the feedback is from your side. I always wait. Still, only few the person is there are there who have given your feedback to respected ICI. Okay, beta. So bye bye. Today's session is now over, and we will be meeting in the next class as per the schedule. Sir, class over.